So today I am walking and reviewing the Slow Ways route from Ewell to Esher, which is about a 7 mile stroll. And it's a beautiful, what is it, early March morning. So it should be a good little walk. I got completely lost. There's a bit of a mistake in the map, and it took me to this kind of new build housing area. But anyway, I found this nice bridleway. I can hear the A3 murmur getting closer and closer. So I've kind of switched to the Insta360 OneX2, which is, of course, like I said, my sort of go-to camera and the whole thing behind underneath 360, I guess. But we're over halfway on this Slow Ways route from, where did we start? Ewell Village all the way to, I can't even remember where I am. Esher? Yeah, Esher. Must be getting close to the lunchtime. Your brain's not working. Anyway, looks like we're getting a bit closer to the A3 here. Or it's slowly appearing. Yeah, I think we're going straight down here. I'm going to pop you up. We'll go in Tiny Planet mode. we're just doing a bit of suburban walking at the moment, and I've got the sun on my back, so that's not ideal for an exposure, but I have switched to the DJI Pocket 2. The last half an hour, mile or so of the walk. It's just this busy little road. I mean, Claygate, I think. But there's a little footpath. We've just got to negotiate some steps. Let me spin you around. There you go. All right. Right now, I am filming on my last camera of the day, which is the Insta360 Go2. Tiny, tiny little camera, this big. And as we go into our final destination, I'm just going to see what sort of interesting clips we can get with this tiny little camera.